Cause when I come rough. In a regular ragamuffin business. Come. No hush hush, no hush hush, no coke, no hush hush, no hush hush, no coke. Don't give no coke, 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 don't give no coke. No want it. Don't give no hush, don't give no hush, don't give no hush hush. No want shit, don't give no shit. Don't give no shit, don't give no shit, don't give no shit. Me no want it. No man, me no want it. Come. Hip hop reggae in a dancehall style. 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 Side Dr. Alban tell everybody. Tell everybody. Okay, we'll blow your brain and ecstasy will mash your life. Okay, we'll blow your brain and ecstasy will mash your life. Friday morning, come on down man, come on life man. That's how the dance out, mash up the class. On the run, Mr. Come King Street. Yeah, he was arrested and tested. And the drugs he had in him, he confessed that. Me going on the youth in this country. Woolly for boys and a woolly for girls. Drug abuse is a dangerous thing. Start off drugs and stop the violence. In a decent time, we have to abuse the drugs. Listen what I say, hey, hear upon you. Too much drugs, you can go mental. Cause I Dr. Alban tell everybody. We no want no coke, no heroin, no hash, no amphetamine. Cocaine will blow your brain and ecstasy will Don't give no shit, don't give no shit, don't give no shit. Don't give no shit, don't give no shit, don't give no shit. Me don't want it. Don't give no coke, don't give no coke, don't give no coke. Don't give no coke, don't give no coke, don't give no coke. Me don't want it.